Hello everyone. So in the last video we saw how to read the digital signals. So in this video we will see how to read analog signals using potentiometer. Okay. So let's not waste the time and let's quickly jump into the Thinkercad and make the circuit. So I will open up the old circuit only and I will show you how to rechange the circuit. So okay, our circuit is open. Let me stop the simulations. So I will use the same thing. So let me just delete this. I don't need a breadboard for in this scenario. I don't need LED nor resistor nor button. Okay, so let's quickly delete everything. So just if you want to delete, select the item, press on delete. That's it. Now let's connect the potentiometer. Okay, so this is the potentiometer. What is potentiometer? So potentiometer varies between 0 ohm to the its max value. So here in this case our max value is 250 kilo ohm. So I can just make it 10 kilo ohm. Okay. Okay, site is reloading. There must be some problem with site. Sometime it do happens. So let's continue. Let's bring back the potentiometer. Here is our potentiometer. So maximum resistance is here 250 ohm right now. So let's make it 20 kilo ohm. Okay, so first thing, terminal 1. Okay, so I click connect terminal 1 to the ground. Now what will be the terminal 2? Let's So from terminal 2 we basically read the signals. Okay, so if you don't know what is potentiometer, so basically it is a variable resistor. Now you may ask, what is variable resistor and how it vary? So instead of just giving you theory, I will show you while we are performing this analog read experiment. Okay, so right now it is a variable resistance and we have three terminals. So I will show you each of them in a while. So we need to connect one to 5 volt. Okay, so this is the terminal 1, this is the common, and this is the terminal 2. Okay, so resistance always vary between the resistor terminal 1 and terminal and middle terminal or wiper. Resistance will always be constant between terminal 2 and terminal 1. Okay, you understood? Resistance will vary in between these two or in between these two. So if I rotate the knob, so resistance will increase in between these two terminals, 1 and common, and resistance will decrease in between these two terminals. Okay, so now it makes sense. So let's show you one more thing, that is multimeter. So how to use that also. Okay, so let's understand the things more clearly. So I can connect the multiple things to same terminal. Okay, no, there is no restriction, but the things must be in parallel, so this two Arduino and this potentiometer is in parallel. So now let's select potentiometer in resistance mode, and let's start simulating. So right now it is showing 0 ohm in between these two terminal. If I increase the knob, so see, the resistance value is increases. So why it is showing error after one point? So answer is, there is some maximum resistance value this this potentiometer can calculate, and it is going beyond that. Okay, it is going beyond that, so therefore it is showing the error. So let's bring down it to 1 kilo ohm. Now let's try. Okay, so there is some fault in here, this resistance resistometer. Okay, so let's see, delete this and let's see our code. So I will put it 10 kilo ohm, and let's start the coding. Okay, I won't need this code, this is for reading the digital signal. So this code is also pretty simple, very simple one. If you just read it, no, you will understand, no need to worry. Just put it, and let's start the simulation. Once we started the simulation, here come the option of serial monitor. So as you can see, when I am here, it is showing 0. That means there is no resistance. If I am increasing it, so it is showing 1023 at max. Okay, again, if I am decreasing, it is also decreasing. So as you can see, while I am changing the knob, the value of resistance are changing, and the as value of resistance changing, the digital the signal what is coming from this terminal is also changing, and our Arduino is able to read that signal. So I hope you understood it. So now let's quickly see the code. Okay, in code what we are doing, we are defining first analog pin 0, means at A0 I am reading the analog data. So I made A0 input because I am taking in the data. In previous video also I explained when to put input, when to put output. If I am taking in the signal, if I am taking in the data, I define it as an input. If I am providing the signal, if Arduino is providing the signal or giving the signal to some actuator, to some device, at that case I define it as an output. After that I am beginning this serial monitor. So serial dot begin, so it means start the communication with our system, and this is the baud rate. So in introduction to Arduino programming video I explained this in detail, what is baud rate and everything. After that what I am doing, I am reading this analog data A0 using analog read. After that I am simply printing it to the serial monitor. So I hope you understood how to read the analog data. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.